Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back. Today I want to make some embeds with very vibrant colors, and one is violet. I've ordered it on the soapkitchen.co.uk and the other color is blue, and these are the dyes. So they are super vibrant, they're very colorful, and let's see. I love it, I just love it. Vibrant and colorful, so let's try to make it. I'm making it for the first time, by the way. I mean the embeds. Normally I used to make 2 sets of butt pumps and then I had to put one in another, but this time I'm trying something different. So I'm taking equal proportions of bicep and citric acid. I have to open it first. And this time I am not grinding those. Normally I do grind my citric acid, but today I'm not going to do it, so I'll try it without grinding. Let's see, and I also have a 96.6% alcohol. So, oh my god, it's going to my lenses. I hope I don't damage my lenses with that powder, because the whole powder is just flying around, and I don't know whether you can see it or not, but I hope that it's not going to damage my my lenses. I have Sigma 16 mm, the one for Canon M50. I will start with blue color, and since I've never used dyes, I don't really know how much have to put in here. So as you know, everything should be disinfected, etc, etc, you know that. Even though I'm not making anything for sales, only for myself and for presents, I'm always trying to be very, very careful. Well, it's not that vibrant as I want it to be. Let's try alcohol. Oh, it's amazing. I'm loving it. Just look at that. Wow. It's really vibrant, and did you see I just didn't take a lot. It was like a quarter maybe teaspoon, and this is cosmetic spoon for making creams, lotions, etc. For measuring this measuring spoon. Wow, it's amazing. I guess it's supposed to be more wet, like a really little wet sand. So here we are 24 hours later, and these are my embeds which I made. So they are blue and violet. So they are rock hard, both of them, by the way. They are really hard. The only difference is that these blue ones, if you remember, I didn't use ground citric acid in here, and beside that I used a little bit too little liquid, so they are a bit powdery, and I think next time I will use much more liquid like I did in this one. I used alcohol 96.6% and it's gone. So, and there was also ground citric acid and more liquid. So I think that next time I will grind the citric acid and use much more liquid than I did this time. So now I have embeds and I'm ready for new bath bombs. And I really enjoy making those for presents. As I've told you, I'm not selling anything. I am an organic skincare formulator, and I plan to start my cosmetic line sometime in the future. It will be for ladies 40 plus, and I'm planning to stay organic. But these are my plans. And I've just received my order from EAZYCOLORS, and I'm so much excited. The first one is this mold, and this is donut. I wanted to make some donuts also as bath bombs, and then I ordered these little containers to put there the colors which I ordered from EAZYCOLORS, but I think they're too small for these purposes, and I don't think that I'll be able to put these colors in these little tiny containers. So I've touched all these colors and now my hands are blue. So I got aquamarine, and they are, what I liked about that is that they are, most of them are organic, like high purity organic water soluble dye. So this is orange, this is Easy Red blend. I've ordered a package of 7, and aquamarine I've ordered separately. So this was like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and where? Do you see the colors here? Where does it come from? From which color is it? Aquamarine, which is bleeding, or? Anyway, so the first one is yellow. It is FDA approved and high purity organic water soluble dye, and can be used in all cosmetic, including those are used in the eye area. So this is green, this is hot pink, this is blue, also purity organic, high purity organic water soluble dye. This is amethyst, this is orange. What is this? This is yellow. This one is green, and my hands are also turning green. I can't understand where does this come from. And this is Easy Red blend. So these are the 7 colors, 5 grams each, for 5 grams each, and they cost 13 pounds, I guess. I think this is the amethyst which is making trouble here now, because I don't see any other color. No, I think, no, this one, just look at that blue, it's coming out. So this is my order, and I've also ordered this airbrush glitter gold, and this is edible gold airbrush glitter, cosmetics and food safe. So this is eco glitter, and it is safe for our planet and oceans. That's why I ordered this. And this one was 9.99, around 10 pounds, and the shipping was the most expensive. And I've also ordered this one. This is a snowman. I'm going to put that on bath bombs, and let's see what it will look like. Can you see that, guys? No, you can't see that. No. Oh yes, now you can see it. Isn't it cute and sweet? I'll try to work on it with it on my bath bombs. So these are the ingredients I was waiting for from EAZYCOLORS, and I just don't know, I don't think that my colors will fit in these little small containers. And this is, yes, this is this blue color. Oh. And that was for today, guys, so I will see you in my next video. And this year, till the end of December, I'll be making some bath bombs, and I want to make some decorations as well, like Christmas wreaths. I will mainly have bath bombs, foaming bath powders and scrubs, and I will also have soaps, melt and pour soaps with Christmas topics. And starting from January 2021, I will go back to my organic skincare formulations, and I suppose I will be doing for the ladies 40 plus. So guys, see you in my next video. Hope you liked the video, and if you like such stuff, please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye.